In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share NotebookLM audio. We'll walk through the full process of finding NotebookLM, opening a notebook with an audio overview, and generating a shareable link so other people can listen to it. This is a simple process, but there are a few places where it helps to know exactly where to click. To begin, go to Google search and search for NotebookLM. Once the results appear, click on the first link you see for NotebookLM. This should take you to the official NotebookLM page. When the site loads, look for the button that says Try NotebookLM and click it. This will take you into the NotebookLM workspace, where you can access your existing notebooks or create a new one. At this point, you can either create a brand new notebook or open one you already have. For this tutorial, open a notebook that already has a generated voice overview, since that's the audio you'll be sharing. If you have multiple notebooks, just choose the one that contains the audio overview you want to send. Once the notebook is open, locate the audio file or audio overview inside the notebook. After selecting it, move to the right side of the audio section and click the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More button. This menu gives you additional options related to that audio item. From the menu that appears, click Share. This opens the sharing settings for the notebook audio, where you can control who has access to it. In the sharing settings, look for the notebook access options. Here, choose the setting that allows anyone with a link to access it. This is the key step if you want to send the audio to someone without needing to manually add them one by one. Be sure you select the correct access level so the link will actually work for the person receiving it. After that, copy the link to the audio overview. Once the link is copied, you can send it anywhere you like, such as in a message, email, or chat, so the other person can open it and listen. And that's it. You've successfully shared NotebookLM audio using a link. If you ever need to change who can access it later, you can return to the same sharing menu and update the permissions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.